This audiobook is independently produced by Tobias Roote Books. The Pattern Ship, The Pattern Universe Book 1. Written by Tobias Roote. Audiobook narrated and produced by Edward James Beesley. Chapter 1. A cosmic disturbance occurred within the open vacuum existing between the watery planet and its cratered moon as an unseen ripple formed a distortion in local space. It spread outwards, causing molecules floating in the vacuum to become agitated by whatever was causing the anomaly. The effect created a swirling cloud of cosmic dust visible to the naked eye for hundreds of miles. From behind the planet's moon, the incident was observed. The dark shape hiding in the shadow of the orbiting satellite, not wanting to be detected by the encroaching ripple, activated its cloak. The shadow disappeared as the advanced technology bent space-time until it was undetectable from the anomaly's wake. The growing wormhole shimmered as a corona of gaseous substances appeared, pushed ahead of a small silver core that reflected the sun's light. The object grew in size as more of its body exited the swirling maelstrom. The object took on substance as well as form, and the hidden observer recognized the shape as the silver spaceship nosed its way into normal space. As it completed its entrance, the misty bow wave created by its arrival was sucked in behind it as the small ship, now free of the distortion, increased velocity and distanced itself from the wormhole, which was already collapsing as the technology that had generated it passed through. The ship had materialized close to an asteroid belt, but rather than alter course, it switched its shields to deflect everything except the largest of rocks, which were easily avoided. Uninterrupted, it continued its flight between the nearby blue and white planet and its large but distant moon. The ship's AI, ironically named Ship, registered the proximity of planets and other real estate, noting as it did so that the nearest held the possibility of life, but with little evidence to indicate it was of interest, there being no technology, continued its mapping of the solar system. The T-ship, so named because of its shape, which had engines braced at the rear, spaced apart on two small wings, had begun its planned realignment for another leap into hyperspace when, unexpectedly, something occurred to delay its jump. Proximity alarms on the ship's shield relayed to the single occupant evidence of a cloaked object locked onto the mass of the small ship. Ship.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?